Okay, so this is going to be my video blog. Instead of writing it all out, this will be way faster. Plus, this has sound effects. So the last couple days, I've got parts in on the Fox. Oh, by the way, new Fox. But the last couple days, I guess yesterday was my day off, and I took a few things, a few parts. Just here's a few of them. Pipes from the exhaust, catalytic converter, cherry bomb, and a fun cutout. And I've done this. So let me start it up. Okay. So okay, so hopefully you probably didn't hear the difference, but there's a little lever down here that you can't see. Pull it out, and you get sounds a lot like a muscle car. And then with my foot, you can kick it in and be quiet, so you don't have this crappy drone while you're going on the freeway. Today I drove down to Lacey, so 40-minute drive down and back, and it was really loud. The only way that made it doable was with this. This is what I did on my day off on Tuesday. Yeah, it's a 15. Kind of scoot it forward. But yeah, to get rid of the drone of the exhaust, you have a drone of a bass going. Today, FedEx should be dropping off my new speakers. This one's blown. You can see it's all dented in, and it sounds like crap. I don't have rear speakers. They're just wires sticking out. Anyway, this is my video blog for the last couple days. Way faster update. Yeah.